This is my first attempt at building cardboard furniture. This is not the complete thing. This is just a leg for a table. So you've got the main part of the leg, which provides the main structure. It's 500 millimeters across and 960 millimeters down. You've got these things, these ridges that are fixed to the main leg through slots. So on the backing, on the leg, there's a 150 millimeter slot there, and on the ridge there's a bigger slot there, and it just fits on top. And the same for the horizontal ridges, and the design is actually, this horizontal bit is taped to the vertical one, and there's tape on the, if you imagine, outside of the L shape. And the same for the bottom, you got the vertical one, and then there's tape on the outside of the L shape, and then in the middle where they meet, off center, there's tape to bind them as well. So this, the idea was to prevent the leg from buckling through the middle, so the two vertical ridges are off center, so they don't meet, and so it doesn't warp. If there's weight pressing down on there, it gets, well, it transmits there and doesn't transmit down this leg or this ridge, and so it's supposedly doesn't buckle more. The main leg part of the leg is corrugated horizontally, so it's at risk buckling kind of lengthways. But I didn't have any cardboard that was long enough in that direction. At the top, you can see that there is a 3 or 5 millimeter drop all the way to the end, and the raised part basically forms a cross shape, 150, well, 300 millimeters. And what's that for is when you put the tabletop on top, it's going to have a cross-shaped slot cut into it, and the tabletop cardboard is about 5 millimeters thick. So this fits onto that, and that provides a locking that keeps it stable, and that would be also aided by tape. So there's the other leg there. I did some tests putting a piece of cardboard on top, and there's a bit of wobble naturally. So there's going to be some kind of strut that bridges the two legs to keep them at the right distance from each other, keep them apart, but also keeps them together.